Hey guys, what is up? Tools and Gadgets here, back again another video. Today guys, my airbed has a hole again. So I don't know where the hole is. I'm still gonna find it. So I'm gonna show you how to effectively find the hole for this type of airbeds, or usually any kind of airbeds. This is the Brookstone airbed. So it has a automatic pump here, so you can inflate and deflate, and the wire here is hidden. The last time I already have a hole here. I don't know why this easily gets a hole, so there it is. So I don't know if this is the same hole right now where the air is escaping, so I'm gonna find out. What I did was I placed a super glue here and cover it with duct tape till it hardens. So in order to find a hole, let's grab one of these. Yeah, so all we need to do is just spray on it. As you can see, there is no hole, so maybe that's not it. So there's a new hole that we need to find here. So one good tip, guys, is we'll need to fill the airbed with air. So in this way, it will be much easier for us to find the hole, because there would be it will be gushing out of air on the holes that we need to find. So one by one, we really need to fill all the spaces with this dishwashing soap. So as you can see, the old hole is no longer leaking. So this is also the method that I use to detect the hole for that one. So guys, I managed to find the hole here. So at first I was just spraying at this portion, but it wasn't coming out until I took a seat here. Then you can see there's air bubbles coming out. Yeah, so it's really hard to find these holes because sometimes you couldn't see them. So I'm just gonna be using a super glue. Well, I highly recommend this Gorilla super glue because this is what I used for this hole right here, and it has been very effective. So after finding the hole, we'll be marking this spot. So as you can see, you can't really see if there's a hole in there. So that's why it's really hard to tell where the hole is, because you couldn't see it from there if you won't be using any dishwashing soap. So the next thing we'll do is we're gonna prep this area right here. We're just gonna be drying this area right here, and we'll be applying the super glue. Okay, so let's go ahead and apply the super glue. Oh yeah, and be sure to have a duct tape on hand, so that after placing the super glue, we'll be placing a duct tape here so that the air won't escape. After that, grab your duct tape. Just like that, so that the super glue will spread inside. Yeah, that's that. So you just need to wait a couple of hours, but you can really use it after 30 minutes. But let's just do the same thing that we did here. So we waited for about an hour for this to dry up. Okay, so that's about it, guys. So thank you for watching, and see you again in the next vlog. Bye.